This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring power and visibility so you avoid wasting time. Check the headset battery level and power it on. If low, charge for at least 10 minutes. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone or computer and make the headset discoverable. Once done, turn both devices off and on again to clear temporary glitches. Also, remove any previous pairing entries for this headset so you can pair fresh. This prevents old profiles from blocking audio. You now re-establish a clean connection and confirm audio routing. On your device, forget the headset and repair it, following voice prompts on the headset. After pairing, open sound settings and explicitly select the headset for playback and microphone. Many systems keep the phone speaker selected by default. For apps like Zoom or Spotify, make sure the app's audio output matches the headset. If you see both stereo and hands-free profiles, choose stereo for better. Finish by eliminating driver, firmware, or profile issues. Check for firmware updates for the headset and update your phone or computer OS. Drivers can disable audio paths. If problems persist, perform a factory reset on the headset to clear corrupted settings, then pair again. Test the headset with another device to isolate the fault. If wired audio works but Bluetooth does not, the headset's Bluetooth module or drivers are likely the issue. If nothing helps, contact support or replace the headset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.